Hello everybody and welcome back. So we are 1 month after the fertilizing with the soil test recommended fertilizers, and wow, I mean the lawn is looking great. It's nice and thick. We had some good rain, so I've had to mow it twice a week, but yeah, as you can see, it is looking absolutely gorgeous. Nice and thick everywhere. You know what this lawn needs? I think this lawn needs some stripes. Let's go put some stripes in it. And boom, here we go. Some fresh stripes. Looking good. Please like and subscribe, and take care.